What's going on? What's going on? Excited to be here this morning. About to get into it. Microsoft. All right. Take a look and see what we can get today. Wait for some people to get in here. We get people in from the vaults. Go ahead and just send an email. I don't know. Let's wait. Whatever. What's up, brother? Just hanging out. Just hanging out. Microsoft looks really good. ES looks okay. Like we do have a little bit of supply in the way. It's funny. Sorry about that. Qs look good. There's gonna be a lot that look good today. SPY looks good. NQ probably the same. 1905. Yeah, like NQ is right here, but demand bounce, take out supply, pull back, boom. We're gonna need something kind of perfect to happen, but looks good. It's relatively balanced, low key, kind of trendy. I'll put it up there. We're gonna have a pretty big list, but I'll throw it up there. Google new. Apple pretty trendy yesterday. Amazon trendy yesterday. Meta trendy yesterday. Tesla trendy yesterday to the downside. Then RTYWM. Pretty trendy yesterday. Wow. Trendy, but didn't do a lot, but I'm going to avoid it. We got a pretty good list. So more of an indice day. We got Microsoft and Qs as well. The reason I like Microsoft, there's not really any type of, supply or anything until up in here. And if we find that, we could probably fine tune that to like a 5-minute like this. So I like that a lot. And then for ES, take a look at that. So ES and NQ are essentially the same exact trade. We're opening up outside. Okay, we're opening up down here. 56, boom. Again, more of a trendy day here than it was on Qs, but if we could come down, take supply, pull back, and then play the rotation, that would be like perfect. So that's what we'll look for. It's like, so QQQ and SPY and NQ are the same exact chart. So we'll just have to see kind of what happens. But and then AMD is again, it was kind of trendy yesterday, but we also stayed inside of this higher time frame balance. So that's why I like it today. We do have this balance theory set up right here. So you can go like this, boom. So if we get back inside, this is kind of what I'm looking for. I don't know if we'll pop back out, but maybe close the gap, push higher, and move higher. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens. But when in doubt, long Microsoft always. Will we be able to see the exact? Yep. Yes, you will, Mr. Garcia. Yes, you will. The exact trades I'm taking. You might not want to take them. Just kidding. Yep, you'll be able to see exactly what I'm taking, why I'm taking them. I'll walk you through it. I'm all about that education, baby. I'm going to set up my watch list on Thinkorswim here. Just make sure everything's up at the top. I think I only have 4 tickers, 2 indices. Yeah. Yep, should be sweet now. Check out the funded account, see how that's going. I got logged out. Awesome. Awesome. What's the server? Got it. Boom. You still can't log in, bro. I'm nervous. I'm nervous I'm gonna like enter a trade and it's gonna cut me out, but it's working. So I cleared my cookies and that made it work. So I don't know if you need to do that or what. That might work. That might work. Some cookie if you clear the cookies. Yeah, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Good morning, Antonio. Excited to have you. Hey, before we open, I always ask this, but make sure you go ahead and like the live stream, so it shows up there on the side. And just hit that like button, baby. Hit that like button. Thoughts on Tesla? Higher time frame balance. Don't like it really today for TLM, but higher time frame balance. We zoom out a little bit. A lot of chop consolidation right in here. We can look at like a 1 hour if we needed. So I think we have a good potential, balance theory play here. But I'd like to see. I was talking with someone yesterday. I can't remember. Steven. He was looking at it and he had gotten in on this break. And while I think that's fine, I think it can hold. I do think it also has the possibility to come back out and come up and break this high, but he's in it now. So it could be fine. It could be fine. We did pop out and come back in. This isn't drawn perfectly, but yeah, for a day trade today, I'm not really looking for anything on Tesla. Now, yeah, I mean, I just don't really see anything that I like personally. All right, market's open. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right, Arkansas, don't be stupid and just freaking don't be stupid and rotate right away, please. It's going to, isn't it? Yep, it's going to for sure. It's going to. Okay, Q's inside, so we got to wait for it to pop out. SPY's outside. They're kind of diverging there. AMD did pop out and came back in. Okay. Interesting. If AMD can take these highs, I like longs here. Nope, AMD took the high. That's fine. I don't know if I'll get it. It's going to be fast. $1.79. It's going to be too fast, probably. $1.79. Oh. $1. So let's go down to 1. All right, let's get AMD. My daughter's out there. My daughter's out there. All right, let's get AMD here. I kind of enter like right there. Nice. See what can happen. Microsoft pop back out. I just don't really like Microsoft anywhere now. It's going to be hard to trade. I guess if we took this high, let's stop here. I don't see it. I don't think it can work. We'll check on AMD and put my OCO in for my stop order rule. OCO mark. Yeah, we'll see what happens there. Mark at or above 162.25. Might be like an all day type trade, but I like it. Let's see what happens. Again, kind of get the breaks. Again, 5-minute break of structure. Kind of a stopping on the 5, but we'll see. We'll see. Let's see what happens. Let me know if I'm missing anything else. As I set this order up here. Sizing should be good. Now, Microsoft coming back in. Okay, at this moment, if Microsoft can pull back for me, I will want. It's not going to work. It's not going to work. If Microsoft can pull back to right there at 426 even, I'll enter. So stop is 75 cents. Yeah, if we can pull back, I'll enter that. But no, never mind. I literally just put it send, canceled that. Of course, Microsoft worked. It worked, baby. But yeah, it's just so hard whenever it wicks like that. It's just so hard. So get rid of that OCO. Still writing out AMD, and of course AMD is just lagging behind there. So let's see what we can do. Microsoft's going to be done. Really good trade. If you caught that, good job. If you caught that. Qs. Oh, dang, I missed Qs. Oh, no, I missed Qs. I missed the Qs, bro. That's annoying. I guess for in Q, we're waiting for that supply to break. Okay, let's look at NQ. So at this moment right here, we could pull back to like right there. Let me set that up for NQ. All right, let's see if we get filled here. Oh, you got an AMD as well? Thoughts on tests? Oh, that's the same. Okay. We'll see what happens here. ES is down. Qs essentially could do the same trade. Qs highlight 2. Let's look at Qs here. I'm going to basically count that gap as closed. So that is a 37-cent move. AMD's not looking pretty, boys. Might miss this. Right off the 50. Probably, but I'm just going to play this demand. Yeah, AMD's kind of fluctuating right there. It's holding, but yeah, it's not going to be good. It's probably going to be a loser. So NQ and QQQ, I have OCO set. NQ basically almost got filled, so it might not pull back. It's going to be really unfortunate when I have two almost maybes and one loss. Or three. Like, watch, these will both work, and Microsoft worked, and I wouldn't have gotten filled, but then the one I got filled on will lose. We'll see what happens here. I mean, I guess you could say, you could argue pretty big, strong downtrend there, but I don't know. We'll see if the low holds. See if that low holds. Like, again, if you zoom out to like the 5, it clearly looks like a stop hunt, but we have an increase of volume on this candle, so hopefully that buyers pushes back inside. We'll see. And we'll watch these two as well. And again, you could also play a 50%, which bounce right off of it too, but I'm just planning to pull back into the demand for a little bit better R. Yes, it's going to be a loser. Fortunately, a larger loser too. It's annoying. Yeah. In the tank. Rough. Yeah, not upset. So I got filled on NQ, got filled on QQQ, or should have been getting filled now. Yeah, just got filled on QQQ. We'll see how this one goes. Again, the only thing here is supply there. We didn't quite close that, but I like how we don't really have too aggressive of selling coming off. So it's all right. I'll make it back. No worries. No worries at all. Let me put my OCO in for QQQ, and I'm honestly done for the day. So at or above my target of 464.85. And then mark it at or below. Stop's going to be at 463.25. I bet AMD will probably push higher later in the day. That's honestly my guess. Typically what happens. Where did AMD go right here? So I'm in these. Maybe not. It could just die. It could just die. Still trying to log in. Maybe I should have taken that as a sign. Don't trade today, but see what happens here. I really like to see that high be taken out, but I think we're good. We'll see what happens, but do we have like demand on here? Hitting that demand. It's not really fresh, but I could really see us pushing back in and pushing higher, just being AMD. I feel like it always does that. All right. So Qs Qs we're rolling with today. Kind of see what happens, but AMD had a downgrade. Okay, that would probably explain why that happened. When is the stock split? It's coming up, right? NVIDIA stock split. Oh, it already happened. What? It was today? Oh, it was yesterday. Bro, why did nobody tell me? Come on. Should be trading that. I just don't really see anything, but I'm definitely adding it tomorrow. It basically means like the price going. Like they're not as bullish on it, basically. Yeah, right here. This moves from buy to hold or hold to sell. So basically, it goes like analysts are less excited about it long term, essentially. If that like in layman's terms. There we go, baby. Let's go, Qs. Let's ride, Qs. Probably be a break-even day. I think my math is right. I think I was a little heavy on AMD. but my math should be right. My AMD was like about 450, which is a little too high. I don't really ever want to go above 400, but QQQ should be about even. I'm about halfway there. I'm up 200. So, yeah, finally, bro. I'm so excited to actually trade NVIDIA now. It's just impossible to like. I'm not paying. I have to pay like 10 grand to get a 10% rate to get $100. Yeah, now they're so cheap. That's so sick. I just want to like buy a call just to say about NVIDIA. Yeah, that's kind of what I expected to happen. So Steven got stopped out, but Schwab is still locking you guys out. Have you tried to clear your cookies on the web? Wow, look at that. Dude, your poor friend. You really screwed up. Yeah, I don't know. Mine worked after I cleared my cookies. Oh, maybe this will be a loser. CMG swing trade. What's happening? What in the world is going on? No, clear browsing data will clear like where you've searched. You have to clear cookies. On Google, if you see my screen here, you probably can't see it actually because the live thing's blocking it. If you go here, boom, do just go to settings, and then why can I not think of it? Privacy and security, and you want to clear browsing data, cookies, cache, and more. Yeah, that should work. So maybe what you're doing would work. Yeah, all trading GME and stuff like that, it's just scam, bro. We'll see what happens. Yeah, here AMD starting to come back up. Unfortunate there. Gold got stopped on NQ. It's a rough day for me. Jeez, bro. What the heck? Dude, talk about a bad fill right there. Oh my gosh, I just got a bad fill. Terrible. Absolutely terrible fill. Oh my gosh. Really bad day overall. Yeah, it still was a terrible fill. It was like when it broke this low, it was like 120, and then I got stopped. I got like stopped right here for like negative 230. Terrible day. It's all good. You make it back tomorrow. Yeah, what's going on, man? I wonder what's going on. Sorry, SPY to bounce. SPY to bounce. I don't think we really have any place to really bounce until down in here. Oh, dude, Schwab's gonna hear it today, bro. Schwab is gonna freaking hear it. Yeah, just a really unfortunate day there. I'm gonna go ahead and upload my trades, post those in lessons learned. Be the first red day of the month, but overall not. Again, it was so it'd be $600 total. Oh, and then futures, so not terrible. I've had the same green days, so it's good. Good setups though. I mean, it's just, and also I miss Microsoft. So how to hit Microsoft, it's okay. Part of trading. Yeah. SPY. Everything's just red. It's all dumped. All gone. Bye bye. Bye bye. Well, I might not be able to get into Thinkorswim on the desktop version to upload. I've also noticed on OCOs the fills it's been so delayed. The OCO orders ever since it switched over to Schwab. Like it used to be, it would hit price, I'd look to the right, it would be filled. Now it's like hit price, wait, count to 100, do 20 jumping jacks, 10 push-ups, and then finally it hits. Yeah, I'm not able to get in on the desktop. I wouldn't even waste your time, honestly. I wouldn't even waste your time. Well, anything you guys want to talk about? Yeah, my risk is about right though. For the day, down 9.6% on the account, so that's pretty good. Bro, we have FOMC tomorrow. What? Bro, I've been out of it. What the heck? Yeah, definitely gonna. I'll be sitting out tomorrow. No, it's a big week. Oh my gosh! Wow. Wowza. Should probably close my swing trade stuff, but overall, like we just had to look at SPY, right? So we're obviously in a huge uptrend, right? So we need to pull back at some point. What I can kind of see happening is, let's look at this. You see how this low is not strong? I really see us doing something like this. That's what I see. I see that happening. I see this quick little liquidity sweep, pull back at 50% from that low, boom, push higher. That's what I see. Again, I'm not getting short in here, right? But that's what I see kind of in the next month or so. No, over the next month, I see kind of that'll play out and happen. Kind of the same thing happened here. Boom, boom. We do have equal lows here too. But it just kind of always happens. Right here, it happened. Boom. Let me go to like a daily. So like right here is like another example. So boom, we pull back, push higher. Right. We've had no pullback since 408. Like it's crazy to me that we're trading at 532 right now. Like it's just absolutely crazy. Like I just remember like hopping on here last year and it freaking being not even last year, earlier this year, it was like 400, 410. Like crazy. Yeah, crazy. That's kind of my overall take. Again, we'll see what happens, but again, definitely on the more of the bullish side, always long term, but short term could see some downside. Yeah, I don't know if I would have done anything differently. Maybe AMD held off because of the trend day, and this high not being really a retrace or anything. Maybe like my only red flag for the day, but I like it. Oh, I guess fine. It's fine. Missed Microsoft would have made $400. So Amazon worked today, or not TLM? You just played it short. Casey, you just played it short. Oh wow, yeah. Dang, Casey. Casey did inverted Zach. Attaboy. Attaboy. Yeah, I guess we could have played this too. Hit supply. Strong high formed. Break of structure. I just wasn't even thinking that way. Like at all. I don't know why I wasn't thinking that, but that's a good setup. Yeah, I guess I don't know when I'll be able to upload these trades. Yeah, it's not working. Watch us push higher on everything later in the day. I don't know, actually. I don't know if that worked. Michael Mack. Yeah, it's done, John. It already rotated. It already rotated. No. All right. Well, hey, I mean, I'm not taking another trade today, and I need to get ready to go on the road. Traveling up to Chicago for the week, and then up to my in-laws in Ohio. So that'll be fun. That'll be fun. But yeah, again, yeah, rough day, tough day. Again, first red day on the month. Again, it happens. Happens every month, right? So it just happened to be this month. But yeah, we'll come back ready tomorrow. Probably won't. We'll see. I might look at the first hour tomorrow. We'll see, but probably not. Probably will not trade tomorrow. Then Thursday, get ready to get after it. Friday as well. But again, I really appreciate you guys hopping on. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Good luck. Be careful out there with the volatility market kind of going nutso with data coming out tomorrow. But stay safe. And if Schwab doesn't let you in, don't force it. Right? Just take the day off. Mark will be here tomorrow. Appreciate you guys. I'll see you next time.